If you have installed the latest version of Affinity and you feel like you've made some mistakes in the settings and you want to reset back to the default settings, here's how to reset back to the default settings. So you hold on to your control key. If you're using a Windows system, if you're using a MacBook, hold on to onto your command key in your keyboard. Long press it and click on Affinity. Hold on to your control key and click on Affinity icon. So when you click on it, continue to hold on to the control key. Don't be quick to release your hand until this bar pops up. When it pops up, you cannot release your control key or your command key. Then you now go ahead and click on the features you want to reset in the settings. Clear user default, reset document and window state, reset panel layout, reset studio, reset. You can just go ahead and select all. If you are not sure of where to start from, go ahead and select all and click on clear. Once you've clicked on clear, it will bring you, it will reset and it will open a new version of Affinity. So it will reset and to open a new version of Affinity, brand new, with the factory settings, with the default settings. So here it is. Enjoy. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe.